2021 TT 1.8T Quattro. So inside the seats are ripped, but the dash is really nice.
To me, it feels like it's on its last leg. I'm cleaning the windshield because we have no windshield wipers.
It's running open downpipe. So far, there's nothing serious. There's no ABS brakes. There's a massive exhaust leak. It's only front wheel drive. Oil warning light keeps coming on the dash, but the oil is fine, so I think it's just a bad sensor. What time is it?
Almost 5 o'clock.
Here goes nothing, guys. Project Teeter Tot made it home.
Project Teets!
I want to start going through it and kind of make a list of things that I know I need to get for this car and then take it from there. There's a bolt, it looks like a suspension bolt stuffed inside there. Here is my carrier bearing, which looks like it's covered in peanut butter. So here's the drive shaft. You can see it's not connected to anything. Well, that didn't take long. The wheels are already gone. It's really a forge block out. But now that I have that off, the first thing that I noticed, I thought this car would have a lot more gunk buildup underneath the valve cover, and this thing does not look that bad. Smells like hot rubber in here. These will be my track wheels and these will be my street wheels. I'm gonna go get my scale out of my house and we're gonna weigh them and see if I've removed any unsprung weight from this car. It's not fast. worse than a car that's loud and slow. So factory would be right here, with an average of those three being 109 feet and a half. Yeah, buddy, come on out. Come out of here. I got it. I got the turbo out. I'll have to convert the millibars to see how much PSI it's running. I went to pull the TT back into the garage, and when I started the car up again to move it in here, there was an enormous loud chatter. You can totally feel it in your left foot when you partially engage the clutch. There's something in the bell housing, clutch flywheel related, probably because it has a stock dual mass flywheel on there, that has let loose and the transmission needs to come off, which is a huge job on this car. Teeter tot! So here it is. The TT is done. Paint job is complete. If I can do this without damaging anything, because then that's just more stuff I end up having to buy. Myself up off the ground. If you look carefully, some of you might have already noticed something. You see those little slags of nonsense? That's hardware. Thankfully, the damage was minimal. I was trying to hold this up in the air so I could film what I'm doing, but this is ridiculous, so I'm just gonna stop and put this down and do this so I don't screw it up, okay? Okay. underneath the seat rail. Oh, come on, eject. I must decontaminate my potato. That sounds so disgusting. Never been changed since I owned this thing. That's the gasoline that came out of that fuel